The DJI Ronin is a 3-axis gimbal created to stabilise tracking motion for both remote operator and single operator use. In this tutorial, we're going to talk through how to set up and balance your DJI Ronin. Inside your Ronin case, you will find the following: your gimbal, tuning stand, handlebars, accessories bag, Allen keys, camera mounting plate, lens support, mounting screws, accessory mounts, battery charger, extension rods, and remote control. The first step is to open the tuning stand onto a flat surface. Then place your handlebars facing outwards onto the stand and tighten each handle using the adjustable screws. From here, remove the gimbal from the flight case and attach the top motor to the handlebars and tighten. Now, insert the battery into the gimbal. There are multiple screws and mount points to fit each camera. Today we are going to mount a Canon 5D Mark III using the penultimate hole. Attach the camera to the base plate using the Allen keys from the utility bag. Now we begin to balance the camera. It is important to note that any items you may want to add to your camera, such as external ND filters, should already be attached before weighting. Slide the camera plate onto the gimbal and secure with the quick release handle. From here, adjust until you have a relatively accurate balance. To alter the roll axis, loosen the adjustable screws. Slide the camera from left to right to change the roll balance. You can test your roll balance by positioning your camera 90 degrees each side of the roll axis. Vertical tilt is adjusted by using the release handles on each side. This controls how top or bottom heavy your camera is. Always ensure your readings are the same value on both sides. You can test your tilt balance by facing your camera upwards or downwards 90 degrees. If balanced, the camera will stay in position. The rear cogs control the pan axis. You can adjust this by releasing the quick release latches and moving the cogs forwards and backwards. To test your pan axis, turn your gimbal so the lens is in line with the handlebars, then tilt the camera upwards. If balanced correctly, the gimbal will not spin. Always ensure your mounts are correctly tightened when balancing. If an axis slips, it will affect your control and your motor power settings. Use the Allen keys provided in the utility kit. With your camera and Ronin balanced, you now need to grab your Nexus tablet from the Ronin box. Turn on your Ronin and Nexus. To access the internal settings of the Ronin, you need to use the Nexus tablet provided. On the tablet, you will find the DJI Assistant app. You can link to the Ronin by entering the password. Each password is identical to the name of each Ronin. When connected, the first step is to calibrate the system. This is located in the More menu. The second step is adjusting the power settings of the motors. You can gain a rough reading by using the Auto-Tune stability button. If you have balanced the Ronin correctly, the power settings should read between 0 and plus or minus 1. For single-person operation, the Smooth Track section allows control of each motor's independent power settings. In here we can choose which axis we want to enable, as well as choose the values of the speed, deadpan and acceleration of each motor. An explanation of each setting's function can be found in the Ronin handbook provided in the flight case. In the viewer menu, you are provided with a graph showing you the power outage or angle of each motor in real time. Ideally, the graph should be reading as close to 0 as possible when the Ronin is stationary. This will give you the best results. The final menu consists of the last few additional settings such as system calibration, silent mode, center calibration, disabling roll control, motor kill, and briefcase mode. To activate briefcase mode as an alternative to upright mode, you simply turn off the tilt axis and move the handlebars back and down. The Ronin will then adjust into this low position mode automatically. To book a training session, simply email mmctraining@winchester.ac.uk